Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming hardware. Identify the TV's USB port and whether it supplies power. If not, get a powered hub. Next, make sure the drive is formatted as XFAT or NTFS for large media. Use FAT32 only if required by your TV. Once that's done, plug the drive into the TV or hub, then wait. The system usually detects storage automatically. You do this now to avoid app permission issues later. Don't skip the powered hub if playback stutters. Once the drive is connected, go to Settings and check Storage to confirm it's mounted and shows available space. This tells you the TV recognized the device. Then install or open a file manager, Kodi, or Plex. Grant required storage permissions so apps can read the drive. Navigate folders, scan for media libraries, and select files to play. If playback fails, try switching the media player app. Some players handle subtitles, codecs, and large MKV files better than the built-in player. To finish, stop any playback and safely eject the drive in Settings or the File Manager before unplugging. This prevents corruption. If the TV can't read the drive, reformat it as XFAT on a PC, copy a small test file, and reconnect. That often fixes partition or encoding issues. If files still won't play, make sure your OTG adapter or cable is functional, and use a powered hub for demanding hard drives. This single troubleshooting tip solves most recognition and power-related failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.